Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to open Amazon Mini TV on your PC or laptop. This is a great way to stream free entertainment directly through Amazon's platform, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to amazon.in/minitv. It's important to note here that Mini TV videos are exclusively available to watch in India. The service is geo-restricted, so if you're accessing from outside India, you won't be able to stream the content. Although I'm not in India right now, I'll still show you the complete login and navigation process so you know exactly what to do when you have access. Once the page loads, you'll likely be prompted to sign into your Amazon account. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to Amazon's login page where you can enter your account credentials. In the first field, you'll see a prompt that says Enter email or mobile phone number. Click on this field and type in the email address or phone number associated with your Amazon account. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your information, click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Now you'll be taken to the password entry screen. Here you'll see a field labeled Enter Your Password. Click on it and carefully type in your Amazon account password. Double check that your caps lock isn't on and that you're entering the correct password. Once you've entered it, click the Sign In button to access your account. After signing in successfully, you'll be directed to the Amazon Mini TV homepage. This is where all the content is organized for easy browsing. Take a moment to scroll through the homepage and explore the different categories available. You'll find sections for movies, web series, shows, and other video content. The layout is designed to help you quickly discover what you want to watch. When you find something that catches your eye, simply click on any video thumbnail to start playing it. The video player will open and you can begin watching immediately. The interface is straightforward and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate between different shows and episodes. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to access Amazon Mini TV on your PC or laptop. Just remember that this service is only available in India, so make sure you're accessing it from within the country. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.